Now, what if I gave it to you in standard form and asked you to graph it using the intercept form? Now, is this the smartest way to do it? I don't know. I mean, could you just do your A equal B equal C equal? Yes, then you'd have to find the vertex and graph from there, but let's just try it this way. If I say do it in intercept form, the first thing we need to do is to factor it. Well, the first thing I notice is that I have a GCF of a -1. When I divide by -1, I have an x squared minus 6x. I need this to be a -5 for this to work. So if that was minus, it becomes +5. Okay, it's fully factored, so I put the -1 back in. So that's my A value. You see where this is going? Now you pick your favorite method, whether you're unbox, unfoil, or bender, and you would kind of do that in this space. Now I'm going to give you the shortcut. I'm going to tell you, trust me on this, it is x minus 5, x minus 1. Given the time, I know you could do that. So now remember in our last step, we said, okay, do x minus 5 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0, solve, x is 5, solve, x is 1. All right, so these are my intercepts. I have a +1, a +5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have to figure out where is my middle. So we did the last one visually, right? Guess and check. Is it here? No, too far to the left. Is it here? No, too far to the right. Oh, that's exactly in the middle. Or really the algebra way to do this is to say, well, 5 and 1, what's the distance between them? And then I'm going to take half of it. Well, the distance is 4. Halfway between 4 is 2. So I can go 2 over to hit my axis of symmetry. And I could go 2 over to confirm that it's equal distance. Now I have to figure out, well, since x equals 3, my axis of symmetry is x equals 3. I know that's part of my vertex, but I need to plug it in. So now we can plug it into either form. We have my original standard form, or I have a factored form. It's all the same. Now I'm going to plug it into factored form because I remember there's that like check step. If my parentheses are equal and opposite, thumbs up, you're on the right track. -1, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 1, -1. I have a -2 and a +2. Hey, equal and opposite, on the right track, thumbs up, happy face. So this becomes a +4. That's a y equals +4. So put these two things together. I have a x value of, no, I didn't solve for that. An x value of 2 away, which is 3. X equals 3. My vertex is at 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to use my A. Remember, the A you could take from the original up here, -1, or the factored form GCF, -1. And I'm going to plot 1A, 3A, 5A. Right 1, down 1, and symmetry. And let's confirm. Right 1, down 3. Hey, look at that, I hit it. Now, the nice thing about having it in standard form here is I can visually see my C. Remember, your C is your y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And symmetry point. So I was able to fit lots of points here. And it's nice to plot my y-intercept just to ask myself, is it reasonable? Now let's say I had a C value that was way up here. There's no way that if I got 1, 2, 3, 4, my first 5 points, and then a C value here, no way. So I think I'm right.